Got dog pee stains? This video is for you. A simple, do-it-yourself method to remove basic dog pee and urine odors from your carpet at your home. Hi, Dave with Regal Fabric here. We're here to talk to you about this Bissell Pet Stain Eraser machine. It's a plug-in, rechargeable machine that's been on the market for about a year. We bought a couple of them because our customers expressed interest in them and wanted us some advice from us, so we figured we'd share that with everybody. You're going to see on this carpet pad and subfloor a spot that looks just like pet urine. We deal a lot in the Boston area with pet accidents, on oriental rugs, on wall-to-wall carpet, and upholstered furniture. So this represents a typical installation of wall-to-wall carpet in most people's homes. It's a synthetic carpet, and our demonstration would be a little bit different if it was wool. But as you can see, the spot here looks like it's about 4 inches or so in diameter. But as I peel back the carpet, it's wet here. You can see it's a little bigger here on the pad. And if you peel it back to this point, it's really gotten big, and it's also gone into the plywood subfloor. That's a typical construction, how carpet is installed. The challenge you're going to have with a machine like this is made for spots when you catch it just as it's going down from the dog or a cat, and it doesn't have enough power to pull much beyond the very top of the fibers of this relatively basic carpet. You can see the fibers are about a ½ inch long. At best, this machine will be able to throw down some enzyme detergent and then flush it back up, maybe half of that distance. There are other ways to do it. I'll leave links in the description below. But essentially what you would do is, this machine, it's rechargeable, like I said, it goes on. It's got a spray function here, which is the solution tank, which is right in here. The waste tank, or what pulls in all the dirty water, is here. So if you put this on, and you hit this trigger right here, you'll see the solution come out of here, right on there, and then you would pass this over like this. It goes down. Make sure you do multiple dry passes. What that means is passes without pulling this trigger, because you want all the extra liquid to come up. You put it down. If you have to agitate, use a horsehair brush like this, something gentle, and just do some moderate agitation. The machine, this Bissell Pet Stain Eraser, does come with its own detachable brush, which they advise to agitate and brush in the detergent. We advise against that. This is a stiff brush. Even on a basic carpet like this that's synthetic, you will abrade it if you rub too hard like this. You might get all the spot out, but it won't look right. You'll abrade the fiber. It probably won't be correctable from there. So the trick is to put down a proper enzyme. This is a professional enzyme that we use here all the time. You can find it online. Basic spots, go with the Woolite. Now in the solution tank here, 1-to-1 mixture, 1 pot water, 1 pot white vinegar in this solution tank, and that would be what you rinse with. The detergents that come with the machine, we don't recommend you using. If you've washed as best you can and you have stains remaining, you could use some 3% hydrogen peroxide to spray on and try to get rid of the stain part. Now, again, this is easy to show because this is assuming there's a wall here, and you could pull back the carpet and clean all the areas here. If this is in the center of the room where the stain is, this machine will never get deep down. There are other methods to do, and again, I'll put a link in the bottom. If you have questions or comments, please leave them below. If you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button and the little bell next to it, and that'll notify you about the next time we upload a video. We look forward to your comments and questions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share this video with family and friends who have pets also.